that doesn't have 8 gazillion trees and stuff to step over and mushrooms, and I don't know, mushrooms don't really get in our way, but anyway, we're out here where it's a little bit more open so that you can see the process. And that is my good son, who is here working right alongside of us, actually right in front of us because we're behind him. But anyway, his job is to put in the T-posts. This is all of our equipment. There's Steve-O, getting suited up.
Yep.
Gonna take down some buckthorn, baby?
Get back buckthorn and cedar, box elder.
Honeysuckle?
Honeysuckle if it comes in my way.
You do kind of look like your father.
I have his hat.
But your name is Mark.
Yes.
So Mark, you were in charge of T-posts today.
Yes.
So tell us how you do it.
Well, it's every T-post is 20 feet from each other.
Okay, so 20 feet.
And so each T-post is 8 feet tall.
Yep.
So I just use 2 to measure, and then that makes 16. And then my tamper is about 2 feet. And I do 2 of those, and that's about 20 feet.
So you lay them down on the ground so that you know where the next one goes?
Yeah, and then I like flip it.
Oh, you know you're gonna have to show me that.
Yes, I will.
Okay.
And then this.
All right, what's that nice thing?
This is my tape measure that is measured to be 36 inches. And so I can put it 3 feet from this fence line.
Yes.
So each post, when perpendicular to this, is 3 feet away.
Because out here we have some existing T-posts along the property line that's going to serve as our external most part of the fence. And then we'll run the taller part in on the T-post section. Okay. All right, let's see you measure for where the next post goes.
Now the pressure's on. Hopefully I don't hit another rock.
You're always hitting rocks out here.
Uh-huh. So there's the 20.
Uh-huh.
You drop this perpendicular. And then I go. I have to put it in. Right here. And it is loud.
Yeah.
There we go.
So you've been out here for what, 21 minutes?
Yeah, 21, 27.
21, 27. How many T-posts have you put in?
I do 2 a minute. That was number 11.
Dang, that's fast. You know, your father and I are at least 4 times slower.
We only had to put in 22 and a half today. So that's 44.
So you're like halfway
minutes.
done.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to think of more jobs for you. One of my mini jobs today is to take this pile of brush and move it up the hill and then put it on the far side of our outermost fence as an additional deterrent to the deer. I was going to try to take some of these longer trees and span them across this creek bed to make like a little bridge for us. See how that could be a nice bridge? Yeah, but there's no way that this wood is straight enough to be anything except kind of a hazard for me and Steve. So I instead will be cutting this in half, and I will be putting it up there along the edge of the fence instead. You got to be careful out here when you're doing this work in a area that you haven't been before. Here's a nice strand of barbed wire that starts somewhere on this side of the creek and runs across, up, 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 right along our path. It's fine for us now that we know that it's there, but that would have caused some serious hurt maybe if we hadn't been paying attention. How's it going, Stevie?
Bit frustrated.
How come?
Well, I think I started about an hour ago.
Yeah?
And I was at this post, this corner.
And now where are you?
Still at this corner. No, you got, wait, this is important.
Yeah.
From where you are standing.
Yeah.
To this corner.
Yeah.
All of this brush came out of that one section. All of it. I don't know how that's actually possible, but I assure you it is.
Is all of this buckthorn?
Buckthorn, honeysuckle, and then cedar.
Huh.
It's unbelievable. And look at that.
Yeah, it's pretty thick.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll say. So,
huh.
Yeah.
Where's Stevie?
I'm here. I finally made it to the post. This all literally came from just this corner. By far, the worst section of the fencing project by orders of magnitude that I can't even express.
And didn't we think that this was going to be kind of easy out here today?
No.
Oh, we didn't think that?
The driving to the posts through the meadow, easy. This I knew was going to be a nightmare. And it's worse than I thought.
And here we have a graveyard of buckthorn. Look at all that. I'm going to get my buckthorn blaster. I'm going to make sure none of that stuff sprouts its little Medusa head. Look at it. It just keeps going. Ugh.